There's a few different ways to crop images inside shapes. So first of all, what I'm going to do is take this first image and place it behind the circle and just make sure that it is definitely behind. Select them both and then press Command or Control 7. That's the shortcut to add a clipping mask. And then if you double click, you can go inside, adjust the crop, and then double click anywhere else to come out. And if you press Command or Control Alt or Option and 7, it's going to release that clipping mask, but you may just have to add your shape's color back in. Okay, this next one is incredibly fast, and I only learned this myself in the last year. So we're going to cut the photo first. This is going to get rid of it and copy it. Select the shape you want to paste it inside, and then out of these icons at the bottom, you want to press Shift D until you get to the one on the right. You'll see a dashed line appear, and now you can paste your image and it will paste it inside the shape. And with the dashed lines there, you can still adjust the crop, and then when you want to come out of this, just press Shift D again, and you can see you can move it around as normal. And to show you how quick this is in practice, we cut the image, Shift D a couple times, paste it in, Shift D, and you're out. Honestly, it's so flippin' fast, it's brilliant. Right, this last one is going to be similar to the first, but it's going to be a bit more custom. So first of all, let's grab the image and place it behind the circle like we did before. And we're going to select the circle, press Shift X to swap the fill to a stroke, and we'll pop it in the center. And let's just zoom in a bit. And next what we're going to do is we're going to grab the scissors tool, and this is C on the keyboard, and we're going to make a cut here and here. And we're doing this so that the top of her head is going to come outside of the circle. So with the direct selection tool, we can select those pieces and delete them. And then we're going to go and grab the pen tool, which is P on the keyboard. Click here to activate this point. And then we're going to draw around the outside of her head. So we'll just do this nice and quickly. Now, if we try and complete this path here, you can see it goes a bit wonky on both sides. To avoid that, when you click on the last point, hold down Alt or Option. And if I click here, hold Alt or Option, there you go. You can see it only affects the one side. So we've got the subject inside the circle. We've got the head popping out as well. Shift X to swap that stroke back to a fill. And then just like we did in the first step, we can select them both and press Command or Control 7 to add a clipping mask.